Coming up on I-40, coming up on Engine 24 is coming up on something. But yeah, it's definitely a lake in many of these intersections. Everyone needs to be aware too of the fast-flowing water flowways of the creek and local drainage. If there's a spot that is usually flooding, be aware of those locations. Okay, appreciate that. Yeah, good advice.
Water, what's going on here? Yeah, they just started that. The rain lightened up a little bit, so I can reposition here for you. And the water, kind of gone down a little bit, but then the semis moved out of the way, and now these cars, pickup trucks are going to try to make their way through areas they shouldn't be going. You look how high that water is in that high-profile truck right there. When you get to a little shallow in some spots, then it'll dip down on you.
Pennsylvania. The water there red like the Oklahoma mud. Lacey Lett joining us on the phone now. Well, it looks like Lacey we're making a bit of progress. Last when we checked in,
Oklahoma City, Arcadia to Chandler to Harriet to Luther, up near Cashin and Guthrie. That's kind of the new area where we're seeing the flooding waters really start to accumulate right here. I want to go to Chris McBee. He's been in this part of the town for a while. You're just joining us. Maybe you encountered some flooded roadways. Maybe you're just checking in, seeing how things are going. Chris, this just tells the story of the day. One of so many vehicles that we've seen. Is this a parking lot we're looking at? Is this a road? Because right now it's a lake. What are we looking at?
We're definitely looking at a lake. You're looking at Council Road. That is, let me see, southbound Council Road, right at Reno. You can see the traffic on Reno moving real slow there in the background. But this area south of Reno on Council it's a lake or a river, I'm not sure. It's a body of water for sure. And it just extends all the way south. Looks like Oklahoma City Fire Department has blocked off this road. I'm just in a McDonald's parking lot here at Reno and Council, and I mean it's at least a couple of feet deep out here just in front of me on Council Road. So the rain has let up a bit, but the flooding situation is still dire in this part of the metro, Aaron.
All right, yeah, I mean, that's just, it really is something. I mean, we were taking a look at some of your streams just about even an hour ago. You barely see anything because the rain was coming down so heavily. Now the rain has let up, but the flooding remains, it persists, and that's really going to be the story of the next couple hours for sure.